cruising down the Hillsborough River, and this is Tampa's waterfront, riverfront walkway. It goes 1.8 miles, and they're celebrating the final completion with concerts and other good stuff. And so Marley thinks this is pretty cool because it's got her. And over here is Tampa College. And yeah, so it's quite wonderful to have this amenity in downtown Tampa. It took the work of 3 mayors to finally complete it. A few co-eds over here. Pretty cool. Tampa College. Here we go. Marley's gonna be scared. So that's the Riverwalk in downtown Tampa.